Here's how to remove a background with a single click in Photoshop. You want to left click on the lock, go to Window, go down to Properties, scroll all the way to the bottom and click Remove Background. Once the background is gone, you can do the little touch-ups, for example this bit right here, by going to the fourth tool down. You want to left click, drag this out and get yourself a selection. You want to press G for the bucket tool, press X to swap on over the color to a black color, and then just left click and fill this in. You want to press Ctrl and D to deselect it, press B for the brush tool, and press X to swap on over to a white color. You can then fill this in, and there you go, you are pretty much done. If you wanted to, you can get yourself another background by left clicking, dragging this into Photoshop, holding Alt, and then dragging the corner out to stretch the screen, double left click to apply, and then move this one underneath, and you are pretty much done.